capo on the 4th fret, starting with a C major chord, and that's an open 6th string, and then on the 5th string, keeping it open, and then the same kind of C major, but another opened 3rd string, and then on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then 6th string, 1st fret. And then open 6th string, and then 4th fret, 1st string. So it goes. To F major, but open 5th and 6th string. Let's close, this is open. Back to C major. To G. To G7. And start over.